drug addiction. Drug addiction becomes a serious problem in our society. Drugs such as cocaine, heroin, tobacco are becoming more common among teenagers and young adults, and they spend a lot of money to buy it. Once these people becomes addicted to drugs, they are forced to commit crimes in exchange for drugs. Addiction involves a lack of desires and control over a use or activity of a substance, even if it is harmful. This includes relationships, schools, jobs, money, and health issues, etc. It is a chronic disease in which changes take place in the brain. These diseases engage a behavior over and over again, and eventually the brain changes and find them to achieve similar feelings, which is called tolerance. It causes symptoms such as depression, anxiety, tremors, etc. If addicted person want to save his life from this, contact to mental health professional. Thank you.
This is Amir and I am here to tell you about some types of drugs. First, ecstasy. Ecstasy is known as Molly. It is a psychoactive drug primarily used for recreational purposes. It is a synthetic man-made drug and usually taken by capsule or tablet form. Heroin. Heroin is an opioid drug made from morphine, a natural substance taken from the seed pod of various poppy plants grown in southeast and southwest Mexico and Colombia. Alcohol. An alcohol is a drink that contains ethanol, a type of alcohol produced by fermentation of grains, fruits, and other sources of sugar.
Hello, my name is Farooq Shahzad and today I'm going to talk about causes of drug addiction in youth. As we all know about the negative impacts of using drugs, but there are some people who still use drugs for their entertainment purposes or to fulfill their needs. The first cause by which people get addicted is depression. We all lose our beloved one in our lives, but those people who are emotionally not so strong became depressed and then they started drugs to get out from the depression. The second cause by which people get addicted is enjoyment. A research shows that around 40% people in the world started using drugs for the entertainment purposes only, and then they became the drug addicts as well. The third cause, the major cause, is the environment. If you do a thing in front of our children, as a result, we will also do the same thing when our elders started smoking cigarettes or even drinking alcohol in front of their children. The reason and also the result, their children also become the drug addicts as well. The fourth and the major point is fashion. Our youth is just about the fashion only, they just follow fashion, and according to them, even smoking cigarettes, smoking marijuana, drinking alcohol is just a normal thing and it is a part of fashion, and even our social media is even promoting this. And also these things make a big impact on the mindsets of youth towards the drug addiction. And I hope you are getting my points to understand the causes of drug addiction in youth.
And I'm gonna be talk about effects of drug addiction. Drug affects emotionally, physically, and legally. Emotional effects of drug addiction contains mood swings, depression, as shown in the picture, anxiety, and confusion, etc. The primary effects of drug addiction take place in the brain, which affects the brain function and impact how the body perceives pleasure. Now talk about physical effects. As shown in the second picture, that all the parts of the body affected by drugs. It includes brain, heart, it causes heart attack, kidney, abdominal pain, and also affects respiratory system. Last, legal consequence. Drug abuse not only cause negative effects on physical and mental health, but also have legal consequence. Individuals may have to deal with legal consequence for the rest of their life. Many companies require drug tests before offering a job. Driving under the influence of drugs can lead to serious legal action and even heavy fines.
we are going to discuss about the strategies against youth drug addiction. Number one is discuss with your child or son if he or she is involved in using drugs. Avoid giving lecture, listen their opinions, talk to them, and then brainstorm them how they can deny the offers of drugs. नंबर सेकेंड इज सेट स्ट्रिक्ट रूल्स एंड रेगुलेशन, फैमिली बाउंड्रीज एंड लिमिट्स कि उनको किस टाइम पर घर से बाहर निकलना नहीं चाहिए और पार्टीज़ को अवॉइड करनी चाहिए, किन दोस्तों के साथ उठना बैठना चाहिए, उनका फ्रेंड सर्कल कैसा होना चाहिए. नंबर नेक्स्ट इज बिल्ड स्ट्रॉन्ग रिलेशनशिप विद योर चाइल्ड, बी फ्रेंडली विद दैम और शेयर योर एक्सपीरियंस विद योर चाइल्ड. अगर आप इस बच्चों पर तवज्जो नहीं देते तो वो इन्फीरियरिटी कॉम्प्लेक्स का शिकार होते हैं, जिसकी वजह से वो मोस्टली स्मोकिंग या अल्कोहल में इन्वॉल्व हो जाते हैं. नंबर नेक्स्ट इज शेयर मीडिया मैसेजेस इफ योर चाइल्ड इज इन्वॉल्व इन इट और व्हाट्सएप मैसेजेस एंड मोटिवेट हिम टू लिसन द टेक टॉक्स, मोटिवेशनल स्पीचेस और मूवीज़, मोटिवेशनल मूवीज़. नंबर नेक्स्ट इज join activities, interested activities, sports activities, physical activities which help him to do and greatly reduce factors of drugs. Number next is if your friend is involved in, then you should also help him. For example, my university friend is too addicted to smoking, so I motivate him कि वो drug स्मोकिंग ना करे क्योंकि वो उसके लंग्स पर और हेल्थ पर इफेक्ट कर सकता है, जो उसके लिए डेंजरस है. नंबर नेक्स्ट इज कॉन्टैक्ट टू योर हेल्थ केयर प्रोवाइडर और डॉक्टर्स अगर आपका बच्चा इन चीज़ों में इन्वॉल्व है. और एजुकेशनल प्रोग्राम्स जो स्कूल्स में या यूनिवर्सिटीज़ में दिए जाते हैं ऑन वीकली बेसिस विच इज़ यूनिवर्सल, सेलेक्टिव और इंडिकेटेड. अगर आपका बच्चा स्टूडेंट ज़्यादा ही इन गलत ड्रग्स में इन्वॉल्व है तो उनको एक टेक्निक सिखाई जाए कि वो गलत कामों में इन्वॉल्व ड्रग्स यूज़ ना करें. लास्ट इन इज दी ग्राफ विच शो द एस्टिमेशन कि कितने बच्चे ज़्यादा ड्रग्स यूज़ करते हैं. सो इन लास्ट, थैंक यू.